Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Allow HD Download on Vimeo application. So turn off Allow HD Download on Vimeo application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Vimeo app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Vimeo app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. And it appears like this. Tap Data Usage menu. And tap Allow HD Download. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off Allow HD Download application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.